Welcome to our lesson on cloud computing. In this session, we will explore the foundational concepts and applications of cloud technology in data science. Cloud computing refers to the delivery of computing services over the internet. It enables users to access storage, processing, and software from virtually anywhere, enhancing collaboration and productivity. One of the key benefits of cloud computing is cost efficiency. Businesses can reduce their IT infrastructure costs by only paying for the resources they actually use, leading to significant savings. There are three main types of cloud services: IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. IaaS provides virtualized computing resources, while PaaS simplifies application development, and SaaS delivers software applications over the internet. Understanding cloud architecture is essential. It consists of front-end platforms, back-end platforms, and a cloud-based delivery system that work together seamlessly. Cloud deployment models include public, private, and hybrid clouds. Public clouds are owned by third-party providers, while private clouds are dedicated to a single organization, offering enhanced security. This quote highlights the transformative power of cloud computing. As we explore further, remember that flexibility and innovation are at the heart of cloud technology. Security is a major concern in cloud computing. Data encryption and access control are two essential measures that help protect sensitive information and maintain user privacy. Some of the major cloud service providers include Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure. AWS is known for its extensive range of services, while Azure integrates well with Microsoft products. Looking ahead, trends like AI integration and edge computing are shaping the future of cloud computing. These advancements will enhance data analysis and improve overall system performance. While cloud computing offers many benefits, there are challenges to consider. Downtime risks can disrupt business operations, and compliance issues must be managed to protect data. Cloud computing has numerous real-world applications. Businesses utilize it for data storage, providing scalability and accessibility, and for software development, which enhances team collaboration. Cloud computing is a vital tool in data science. It allows data scientists to access powerful computational resources and collaborate effectively on projects. Successful implementations of cloud computing can be seen in companies like Netflix and Airbnb. Netflix uses it for efficient content delivery, while Airbnb relies on it for platform scalability. This quote emphasizes the transformative nature of cloud computing. It is not merely a technology, but a mindset that drives innovation and collaboration. To get started with cloud computing, first choose a provider that meets your needs. Understanding their pricing models is crucial to avoid unexpected costs as you begin your journey. To expand your knowledge of cloud computing, consider taking online courses available on various platforms. Additionally, reviewing provider documentation is essential for insights into features and best practices. As we conclude, remember that cloud computing offers significant benefits, including flexibility and cost savings. Implementing security measures is crucial to protect sensitive data in the cloud. Looking ahead, we can expect increased adoption of cloud solutions across various industries. Innovative technologies will continue to shape the cloud landscape, so staying informed is essential. In conclusion, cloud computing is a transformative technology that plays a vital role in data science. Understanding its principles will empower you to leverage its capabilities effectively. Now that you've learned about cloud computing, it's time to explore how these concepts apply to data science. Let's move on to the next lesson where we dive deeper into big data. We encourage you to share your thoughts on this lesson. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask, as we're here to assist you in your learning journey. This quote encapsulates the essence of education. Remember, learning is a continuous journey, and each lesson builds upon the last. Thank you for joining this lesson on cloud computing. We look forward to seeing you in the next session as we continue our exploration of data science.